Hello student, I am Vinay Kumar Lal, your teacher. Again I am back to explain you a new chapter in moral science, that is perseverance in life. So students, perseverance means persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success. So if we want success, we have to keep and do perseverance. So in this particular chapter, we used to see that perseverance in life, what it tells and what it teaches. Here the chapter, it is related to the hunt of smiles. So we used to see once upon a time, there was a princess of the fairies fell ill. And when the princess of the fairies fell ill, you see that the doctors could not identify what the problem it was. But luckily, her two little dragons, they managed to find out what was wrong. And after that, we used to see the same princess. The princess had two little dragons, and two little dragons, they managed to find out, after all, what was the problem she is suffering from. And the problem was that the princess was not seeing anyone smiling. And one problem it was, because she was the princess, a big responsibility it was on her shoulder, and she used to see that there is no one is smiling. And because of that, she was in a big tension. And that was the main problem also. So the two little dragons we used to see, they set off around the world. They went here and there in search that, after all, who are those people where we used to see that the smile is on the face of them. And we see that all these two dragons, they used to search here and there, but they didn't find a single one. So they flew to the planets, they flew to the stars, searching for a smile. And at different places, you see, the book says that they went to the planets, even they went to the stars in searching for the smile, but they didn't find a single one. And after that, we used to see they traveled so far, so long also, with no success they didn't get. And that one of the dragon decided that to come back again to the princess, so that he could see with the princess when she died. One of the dragon decided that I should go back because I have wandered a lot and I didn't see anyone I saw is smiling. And after that, the dragon decided that I will come back because my princess is about to die. But the second dragon, we used to see that he didn't lose his hope. And the second dragon, he just went away to search that whether anyone is smiling or not. And on the very next planet, he visited a small and dark planet. It was there, and which was hardly visible. That was the dark planet, and nothing it was seen over there. And he found out the amazing fact, and all the smiles in the universe were right there, gathering for a party. So everything it was there, and all were laughing over there, and the party it was going on there. The dragon told the smiles about the problem, that without hesitation, millions of smiles agreed to accompany him on his return to home. So all those smiles, we used to see that they decided that we'll come with you. And the dragon arrived as soon as the princess' gaze fell. So many smiles. So she instantly, when princess saw that the dragon has come with so many smiles, and after that we used to see the same princess, she regained her health and she became quite healthy. So the first dragon, on seeing this, was immensely happy and impressed with his friend, that my friend didn't lose the hope. My friend, he went away also, although I came back, but my friend again went back in search that whether I could find anyone where I can see the smiles are there or not. And he found it, and after that he got success. So my dear students, I want to say that we get success only when we get perseverance in the life, and there is an adage, failure is the only opportunity to begin again more firmly. So remember, we have to keep on doing endurance in our life, and we have to stick on perseverance life will be successful. Thank you.